Hi everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the upper drive belt on your riding mower. Well, let's go outside and I'll get started. And I'm Jay. This is Jay's How-To channel.
All right, here I am, pulling the mower out of the garage, and now turning it off. If you want any spare parts, I've got these listed in the description below the video. Okay, this belt is so frayed and looks terrible. I bought this mower used 2 years ago, and it doesn't have any guards on it. Now I'm removing the belt from the engine pulley. I have the deck lift mechanism right here on the left side. Then I have the other one on the right side, and you want to turn it 90 degrees to lock it in place. Now lift the deck mechanism to lift it out of place. I'm rolling this mower backwards just to release the L bracket. Now I'm sliding this mower deck out to the left. Make sure that you don't crimp the cable that engages the blades. If you don't have an illustration on the deck of your mower, then take a picture of your belt orientation. All right, I'm removing this pulley because it has a mechanism that holds the belt against the pulley. Now I'm setting this frayed belt aside and coming in with the new belt. This frayed belt actually had fibers come off, and these little fibers got tangled around the mechanism. Yeah, there we go. I've got this. Now I'm installing the pulley with this little finger mechanism. Wow, these airplanes are loud overhead. Now I'm threading the belt through in the proper orientation. If you guys like my video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notifications bell. I'm tightening up the pulley with an adjustable wrench. Slide the mower deck under the riding mower. Then install the belt on the lower engine pulley. Now install the L bracket. Use a shovel and a couple of 2x4s to lift up on the mower deck. Lower the level mechanism so that you can use the mechanical arms to engage with the mower deck. And again on the other side. Okay, Let's lift up off of the 2x4s. I'm going to start the mower and engage the mower deck.